Hello everyone, I just wanted to show off a couple different things with the SF platformer and how it's going real quick. So this is pre-alpha, so some things might change as we go through the first few alphas. After alpha 3 will probably be stabilized and everything. But I just want to demonstrate how easy it is to create a thwomp-like enemy for kind of like a platforming game. I think Mario thwomps, where you have like those stone blocks that come down and crush the character. So I'm going to go ahead and just show how simple it is to like set one of these up. So we can actually just add a controller 2D script, and a controller 2D is the base class for all physics controllers that control anything in game. It doesn't have to be on a character. It can be on like a box to allow like physics controlling of like pushing boxes and stuff like that. So do take note, this can be on pretty much anything. But basically for thwomp, we want to use a controller 2D because we don't want to have grounded physics like gravity and stuff. There is a separate controller called a grounded controller for enemies that are affected by gravity and other like different types of grounding physics. So all we got to do is set up controller 2D. We want to set up the platforming mask. And the reason why we want to set up the platforming mask, we actually have a event system that invokes events whenever objects or characters collide with anything. So I'm actually going to set up the platforming layer, and now I can actually add a AI crush state or crush action. And basically the AI crush action basically makes like a thwomp-like enemy that will go up and down. So I'm actually going to set up the falling speed and the rising speed real quick. I'm going to just automatically enable Intel to start automatically. So if I click play here, that's literally all you need. And now you have like a little like font that will actually like go down and up. By default, I have it where like he'll just go up and down. That's why the start automatically is for. If you don't have it start automatically, he won't like come down automatically, and it'll be more of like you can add like a sight detection. And we do have like a sight detection script in the works. And that's more like the original Mario style, where he'll like wait for like the character to get below him before he like drops down. But we also have it where, so we have a damageable layer here. I can actually set the hero layer here, and I can actually set to instant kill or do set amount of damage. Do you know, I'm also going to go to a platform layer, and I'm going to do that to heroes real quick. And that way it invokes the like going back up. That way it doesn't like get stuck on the character head. But literally that's all I need to do. So if I like sit under here as a character, my character dies, and you probably notice we do have a respawn system and a checkpoint system. Just to show that off real quick, I'm going to actually touch the skull and flag here. I don't have an animation for it yet, but that's my checkpoint for now. But now if I die, boom, I basically get a Big Mac. So for anybody wondering, we do actually have a checkpoint manager system and a respawn system. And a respawn system isn't just for characters, it's also for collectible objects like a point object, like coins and stuff. That way you can easily respawn coins if you died before hitting a checkpoint or a save point. I just want to demonstrate that real quick.